Hey guys, today is August 9th. This is RB the Garden Nanny, and I am getting ready to take care of business once again. And I was challenged by artists in the garden. And I've already taken this challenge before, and it was outdoors. Now I'm going to be taking care of business indoors. I've already received my catalog in the mail, my color blends, wholesale flower bulbs. This is where I get my tulips, my daffodils, my alliums, all of that. And you don't have to get it from online. Anytime you start seeing in the fall bulbs in your big box stores like Home Depot, Lowe's, Menards, all these stores, just know that it's time to start putting your bulbs in the ground if you want them to show up in the spring. So I have my 2021 catalog. This is my 2020 catalog. These, I make a list for myself and a list for my client. And I make sure that I know what I had so I don't get the same thing year after year after year. And because they have so much to choose from, and I don't like to get the same thing, you want to switch it up, of course. So that's my list for last year, and I'm getting ready to make my list for this year. So that is what I'm going to be doing today, and then I will be sending this off today because I want to get my bulbs as soon as possible, because these color blend bulbs, that's a mouthful, they run out of the good ones really quickly. I mean, they're all good, but I'm saying the colors that people are wanting, they run out really, really quickly. And you have to be thinking about it right now, because this is the time to start, when they start sending you the catalog, start ordering. Don't wait. Don't put it off. So that is what I'm doing today in my office, taking care of business. This is what I ordered last year. This is Miss Confection. And I had that. That was so pretty. The other one I had was, to go along with Miss Confection, I had Calm Cool Collective. So as you can see, my color scheme was red, white, burgundy. This had the tinge of white on the edges. It was so pretty. And the last one I had, let me show you that one, was Avaron. And it went really, really well with the color scheme of red, white, burgundy. And then there was this pretty pink that just was a double bloom. Oh, it was so pretty. So this year I am going to go with another color scheme. I'm thinking of purple and orange. Oh, there's purple and yellow. There's some purple and orange. That's called merry-go-round. It's kind of pretty. Vitamin C, SEE, that's pretty as well. It's got some yellow in there. So I'm gonna keep my eye on this one. Let me dog ear that one. Let's keep looking. Oh, I like that Solar Ray. It's red, yellow, and red. Red, yellow, and red and purple. Don't really want the yellow this year. I usually order early, mid, and late. So that means there's a continuous bloom of flowers coming up. And they stay around for a long period of time. So I did this one year, and it was so pretty. It's called Freedom. So this is your early, mid, and late. So it was a constant, like I say, color coming. So beautiful. I think I have the one that I want. It's called Power Play. I love that combination. It's 5 varieties, but I love the orange, the magenta, it looks like. It is a pretty combination. I think I'm going to go with a different book for my client, Beauty from Bulbs. This is by John Sheepers, their fall 2021 catalog, and I've never ordered from them, but they have some beautiful bulbs as well. I mean, gorgeous bulbs. I may even change my mind and go with this book as well, just to switch things up. This one right here is so pretty. This is called Red Emperor. That is glorious looking. That is glorious. Well, I'm gonna look in here and select something, and I will get back to you to let you know what I've selected. Guys, check this one out. Slawa. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it is gorgeous. It is also known as Muvota. This color shifting Gavotta Sport opens deep burgundy maroon with merlot feathering into its high contrast copper apricot petal margins. The petal margins mature to pink and finally to silver ivory. OMG. That is gorgeous. That's either for me or for my client, or both. So that is definitely on the list. Yeah, it is so hard to pick the color each year because I mean, it's so much to choose from, and you just want to pick the right one for your area. And I love this one, Purple Dream and Stunning Apricot. Oh my gosh, that's just so pretty to me. Purple Dream and Stunning Apricot. So pretty. Look at Blushing Lady. Look at Blushing Lady. Isn't she pretty? I think I have my winners. I am going to go with Slawa. Slawa. I think that is just extremely gorgeous. And I did say orange and purple, but that it's an apricot and burgundy. So that's in the family. So I am going to go with that. And I think I'm going to go with that for me. I'm not sure which one I'm going to pick for my client, but I'm just going to do me on the camera and pick theirs later. But all of this is going to be purchased today because I want, like I say, to get them right away. And now is the time to do it. All right, took care of business, all taken care of, ordered, and now all I have to do is sit back and wait for those beautiful tulips to come in the mail. Then I can start putting them in the ground. So if you would like to see my process of putting in tulips, I will leave a card at the top. I just enjoy putting them in, and it's like a kid waiting for Christmas when the spring gets here, around Easter, when all the bulbs are shooting up. It is such a glorious time. I look forward to it all the time, and so do my clients. So yeah, if you have not taken the time to take care of business ordering your bulbs, now is the time to do it. And I am not going to call anybody out for this taking care of business challenge, because everybody that I know pretty much has done this challenge. But if anybody wants to um, show me what you're doing in your garden for fall, as far as the tulips, as far as daffodils or alliums or any of those things, just feel free to make a video of it, and I would love to see it. Thanks for watching.